sometimes it might be just so dirty that you have to brush it, and that's easily done with a floor broom. Spray it on, let it sit 30 seconds, brush it with your broom, and then rinse it off with your garden hose. It can get thick. It can get very thick, and when it gets too thick, goodness gracious, great balls of fire, you're gonna have to do something drastic. So don't let it get that way like I did. Even though I did what I did, this stuff that I use, that I just go down to Lowe's and buy and mix 50-50, it's a concentrate. Watch how it knocks this stuff down. I'm gonna put my camera down so you can actually watch this. I'll put my camera down and give you a quick view of this stuff as it works. Like it says clearly on the bucket, 30 seconds. I'm telling you, this stuff works quick. Now, quick tip, rinse your plants first. Then, within about 10 minutes of washing your siding, rinse your plants again. Or even better yet, if you have the plants that are movable and can be moved away from the house, move them away from the house so they don't get sprayed. Just not taking any chances. Rinsing it should work, but I suggest moving your plants. Here, I don't have any choice at my house. I don't have any movable plants, so let's spray. I'm pretty sure that you can just watch that and see that stuff dissolving as I go. Literally dissolving. Turning white, cleaning. Stuff does a pretty good job. And it doesn't take a long time to do it. Let's keep going. When I get to that last panel that is the dirtiest, when I get down there, I'm gonna leave the camera right there looking at that area, close up, and you will see it magically disappear in front of your eyes, and you will be going down to Lowe's or Home Depot and buying a 30-second bleach. Matters of fact, if you look in my video, a product will come up, and I will list this product in the description of this video. So yes, go buy this product from my page and it will help me out. But look where I started. Look where I started. That's where I started already. And I haven't touched it with a hose yet. So what I'm going to do is, I like to hit it like that, and then I like to touch it with a hose just a little bit, just to spread that stuff out real good if there's anything left on there. And then if I have to, I'll touch up the other areas as I go. But that side's done, so let's go ahead and start this panel, which would be from that downspout type thing there to the downspout over there. So let's go ahead and get that started. And I'm using a daggum iPhone today because my regular camera's not working properly. So I'm going to videotape that with my iPhone, and I cannot see what I'm actually recording, to be honest with you. It's just black. I can almost hope that I'm just recording. I have this on the fan tip. It would be better if the wind is blowing, you definitely need to have goggles, which I do have. I have goggles, and I should probably be wearing them even without the wind. But I'll be honest with you, fortunately, it's not going in my face. Yeah, this stuff, they call this stuff 30-second, and it works like that. I'll be done in a minute. All right, we're gonna do this section here up close. Give you a real close and good idea how fast this stuff works. With a little bit of rinsing, that's gonna go away. Still gonna let it sit for 10 minutes. 10 minutes, and then rinse it off. That stuff will disappear. I think this product cost me $25. I'll show you the results in a minute. I'm gonna do the same thing to the rest of it. Rinse it one time, and I'll give you the results. I'm good. Done.
That's no touch.
If you have anything left on there after you sprayed it, go back and get it again. Not a big deal. Not a big deal at all. Spray and rinse. No touch. Look at that. Did I flip it? I've done this before, but I'm telling you. That's where you want to be. Right there. You can't beat that. Look at that. I mean, if I didn't touch it at all, I would probably be happy with that, to be honest with you. Yeah. Without even touching it. That's beautiful. Dadgummit. My wife's gonna be happy when she gets home. All right, guys, if that video helped you out at all, please give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you on the next one.